Okay, welcome guys once again. So in this tutorial, I'll be taking you guys through the step-by-step process on how you can successfully design your custom t-shirt, even if you don't have any prior experience in designing or using any of these tools that I'm going to be using. You don't need to be bothering much because you are not going to be doing most of the work by your hand. It's just an AI is going to be doing all the work for you. So make sure you watch to the end, and so you can know how I do this and how you can also make profit from doing this. So thanks. Welcome guys. So in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how you can design something like this or even more better than this without having any prior experience in designing or any knowledge about designing of t-shirt or designing of anything. With this tutorial I will be showing you how you can design something like this. So make sure you watch to the end as I will show you step-by-step process on how to do it. And remember that this is not going to be we are not going to be using any, you don't need, let me say, you don't need any experience to design this. What we just need is we just need an AI, a good prompt, and the tools to use. So let's dive straight to the point. So the first thing we'll be working on now, we are going to be using our ChatGPT on this. So we'll go on new charts. So I'm going to be using one of the prompts here. I'll be working on one of my prompts. I will have to pause this video and take one of my prompts so I can. Okay, so I just write I just write down the prompt that we'll be using. So I say write 5 prompts for cartoon style kittens, sphinx, pyramid, t-shirt design. So this is the prompt we'll be working on to get our prompt for the AI that we are going to be used to generate the design. Note that. So let's click on it and check how it is. So ChatGPT is going to generate the 5 prompts that we'll be using to make this design. So the first one is says Kitty Explorers. So we're going to be using this first prompt here. Or let me use one of the prompts here. Mew Reynolds. Yeah, Mew Reynolds. Okay, so I'll copy this, then go to the tool that we'll be using is called Lexical. So it's an alternate tool to Midjourney. Many people use Midjourney, but Midjourney is a paid tool. So we are going to be use Lexical, and it's way more even better than Midjourney. So let's use Lexical on this. So I'll click on this and paste our prompt here and click on generate. So at here it will require us to describe your image. So this is the description of my image. The prompt I'll be using here, this is the one we'll be using, Egypt, something like that. So I'll copy the prompt and paste. So I'll click on generate. If you have any negative, like you don't any text you want on your image or anything, you can put it here. So I'll click on generate. So let's wait for the AI to generate us a nice looking image. So look here, you can customize the size the way you need it. You can customize it with the way you need it. So look at how it is now. Look at what this AI has generated for us. So this is what we needed. If we want another one, then we need to go and do it again. So I will not work with that. Let's say I work with this Sphinx Adventures Journey to Pausum Pyramid. Picture a group of adventure kitchen fiends embarking on a thrilling expedition to the pyramid. Show them wearing exploration gear, carrying maps, and excitedly exploring the ancient Egypt landscape. So let's use this prompt. So I'll copy it and go to Lexical and click. So let me just go back. So I will start with generating. Yeah, so this is the one I generated now. So I will just click and paste the new one. So let me click on generate. Let's wait for it to generate the image we'll be using. So boom, this is it. This is the prompt we instructed Lexical to generate for us. So let's assume we don't like this one also, we want another one. So let me use this one, the first prompt here. Sorry. And let's go to Lexical again. So you can maximize all these tools, you can make use of this, leverage on all these tools. So let me click on paste again and generate new one. So this is the one we'll be using for the design. So you can always change the size using here the way you want the size to be, and it will be generated to you. Okay, so this is it. So what we do now is to download here. Yeah, so once you download, you go on Canva. Yeah, you go on Canva and click on custom size. So we'll be using the size of a t-shirt to design this. So what I did here was, sorry. Okay, so no. Yeah, so this is it. The size, if you want to design, so these are the size you can use to design. For standard front chest, you can, this is the width, and so for this case, okay, let me just go on Canva will do that for you. So if we just search for t-shirt, and it will generate that for you. So blank, we are going to be using create blank. That's what we'll be using. So for us to get the real size of our, okay, so what we just need to do is, you can just go over to upload and click on upload files here. But what I will be doing is, I will just drag what I downloaded to here and it will upload automatically. So what we just need to do here, what we want to do here is just to make sure we customize the size to a t-shirt design size. So I will just, once it has done uploaded, so I'll just click on it, then I'll customize it, drag it to make sure its size or measurement here. Okay, so this is the size of what we'll be using. So once we are done with this size, we just click on share and click on, you scroll down, sorry, share, scroll down and click on download. So you automatically, it has detected the ones that is best fit for this design that we just made. So I will use this, I will click on download and I will just click on it. If you want to remove background, you can click here to remove background. So I will leave it for now. Now I will click on download. So once that is done downloading, the next thing will be for us to, okay, let's assume, okay, I will upload one design again. So I will use one, you want, this will now be a mock-up of what you will show your client, what you are able to do. So I'll upload this, I'll click on upload file, or I'll just, let me go back again. So I will just drag and drop that file here. So this is the file, I will just drag, or let me use the better one. So let's assume we are using this, so let me drag and drop it here. we have to leave here first, and so I'll just click on create design. Let me see. Okay, so let's click on upload, and I think I uploaded the file. Sorry guys, let me do that once again. So let me okay, so this is it. So I will resize it again, make it to be bold, make it bold, make it bold. Okay, we just take our design, we click on the design we want to use, resize it, drag it to any position you want it to be. So this is how you can design, or if you want you can customize this based on the design based on how you want it to be. Or since this, let me use another one, let me just upload another design. No, not like this, this is the one I designed already. So let me upload another one, something like this. Let me try this. So if you think what I'm doing you like it, make sure you turn on the notification icon, like this video, share to your friends, and comment in the description below. Let me know your thoughts. So let's wait for it to load. So what I will do, I will just delete this one here. I will just delete this one, and we'll be working on this for now. Okay, so we can pick one of the design here. Let me pick this one. This is more better. So let me pick this one. Yeah, I think this is the middle of it. Let me add a background. Okay, let's assume this is what we want to showcase to our client. So we are done designing this. Yeah, we are done designing this. So how? Let's just click on share and click on download, and download it, and we are going to check how our design looks like. So this is how you can design your t-shirts, and you can design like 10 or 5 of these, then you make a portfolio and showcase to your clients, and once they see this premium design, trust me, anybody that meets you, they would like you to design something like this for them. So let's check out. You can see this is how the design looks like, and you can see this is way more better. Yeah, if you design such designs like this and showcase to your client, trust me, they will buy it from you. But if you don't like it this way and you want to like remove the background on this image that we've already, let's set aside the mock-up here, which is the t-shirt, and this design that we make, we want to remove the background from this design. What we'll do is just to go over to remove.bg, remove. Okay, remove.bg. So what we do here is just to go over to that. So let's say we are removing this background. Let's click on this. No, let me just drag and drop it here. Just drag and drop it. You can remember, you can use your mobile phone to do all of this. Okay. Look at how cool is this. Look at how cool it is. Imagine. So I just open. No. Just click on open. So look at how that design is. So let's just go and upload it to our t-shirt once again. So let me delete this and upload that. I will just drag and drop it here. You can imagine how cool it is. Wow, this is amazing. So this is how it is. This is how you can also do and design yours. So if someone sees this type of design, trust me, the person will like it. So let's click on download again. Let's click on download to check how that looks like. Okay, we are done downloading, so we just click on open. Let's wait for it to download. Okay, we just click on open. Okay. So this is how it is. This is how the design looks like. You can imagine how cool this is. So if you want to know more of this prompt, make sure, like if you want to get some of these prompts, make sure you type in the comment section and let me know what you want. Either you need the prompt, more detailed tutorial on the design, or whatsoever. Let me know in the comment section below. So if you need the link to the Canva, I will drop the link in the description below. So thanks for watching.